think for me the highest moment is after worship service. I realize it is different that you worship together, you eat together, and you have time to talk. We are doing it in every church, but here I just remember my time when I believe in God. One of the reasons is because of the family, church family. And earlier, I missed that part earlier that we had the time to talk and we had the time to make jokes. Because in some part, in Eke Church, after worship service, meditation, no time for having a conversation with other people, with my church member. Or we have time after lunch, but everyone is exhausted, very tired. But earlier, we have just time, like talking, and also when we practice, we are practicing for worship fest.
This is worship fest, ng Battle of the Band.
No, we just, how to say, because some of the members, they like music. So we just have like, we play. And also some members, I thought like Tita Daisy and others, they will go home. But they just remain, they just talk and they joke. I think that this was good experience once again. I just miss my time when I entered in church. And until now, actually before I handled the church, I had my standard of the church, and that is the standard that comes the church before, how they accept people, how they treat people, like that. I think that is the things that the reason why people will come back at the first time. And the reason why in church there is comfort. Of course, the comfort is in God, but of course there is also comfort around, how to say, people around us inside the church. So not just ministry, but the feeling of family. I really appreciate that part earlier. And I am praying because these days, I think our relationship became deeper, and we had some conversation also, not only about the ministry, but also even